Play. Back down.
Right? Oh.
Turns like
So, can we figure out what rules we can have and can't have?
Yes.
Did we figure it out?
No, we didn't.
Did I bring that paper tomorrow? Because I forgot.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I've got it. Just a
You
second.
need another one?
I
You need another one?
have it, but I just forgot
Let's
to
bring
bring
it
it
tomorrow.
I've got it. Just a second.
I'm the only one. Nerdy brought this. I usually read them that.
Just a second. I'm trying to get it out of my bag there.
Fake cry. That looks like
I
it.
brought the whole thing. My mom didn't rip it.
Fake cry.
I brought mine for once in a lifetime.
Dude, don't do that. That's so gross. Okay. Don't do that. Not appropriate. Really not.
Hey, Jared.
Oh, I'm doing it.
This.
Doing what?
Dude, we're
It's
making
pretty bad.
You what?
Captain Safety.
I laughed so hard and later
Ready?
guys that I
Tomorrow.
cried. I always do that when I laugh really hard. I like start crying. My cousin, it was really funny. My brother was cooking her when they were little, and she got like started laughing really hard. She peed.
Does anyone else have a play? Hey, Clay?
Hey,
Tomorrow?
I was gonna bring out the glove.
Tomorrow? You do yours?
Yes.
Tomorrow?
Dude, learning so is a bad idea.
Especially you.
Especially if it's caffeine.
Welcome to class. There's something we're going to start doing, and we do it Tuesday through Monday, and it's journal writing. And how it goes is like this. You guys will walk up. Yeah, let me explain it real quick. What's going to happen is you guys are going to walk up to Mr. Chamberlain's desk, and you're going to grab one of these sheets that are hanging out in this slot. Oh, we need more. Yeah. Okay. They'll be hanging out right here, and so you'll grab one. And there are 3 lines per day. And so what happens is on Tuesday, you write 3 lines about Monday. And then on Monday, you write 3 lines about Friday.
On Friday, can you like 3 lines about Friday?
No, but on Monday, you can write 3 lines about Friday. And then they're due on Monday. So you'll write your 3 lines about Friday, turn them in, grab a new one. So every Monday,
Like about how you're doing or about what do you think?
good question, what do you write about? So I need 3 sentences, Clay. 3 complete sentences about what you did and what you learned. Sometimes it's confusing to or difficult to write about what you learned. So talk about what you did.
What you learned in this class?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, this class.
Something on the board.
Can you just like do anything like I talked to Keegan? Since you did that.
We'll have to run that by the board.
I got detention.
We'll have to run that one by the board too. Okay, so questions on that? All right, class, so the first 3 minutes, we're going to write 3 lines about the day before's activities. Understood? Okay, so we'll start that here in a second. Before we start class, at the beginning of class, the first 3 minutes, we're going to do journal
Do you
writing.
have your PowerPoint?
I don't. I do, but I don't have the connect. Oh, that's what I went home for, and I forgot.
And I'm really, really sad that I took. I'm such a
Mac. Connect, yeah. No, we'll just wait till tomorrow. Wait till another day.
Whoa, what is this?
I was
Stop, stop.
there.
My Pokemon.
What's the blank?
That's right.
What does that do?
What's this blank piece of paper for?
Just hang tight, I'll show you in a second. Can I get you one of those? Soup?
That's yours. You didn't have one.
Oh, I don't need one. It's okay.
Did I mention It takes the very first program he gets.
Oh no, I'm just kidding.
And then he never uses any other program.
Alright, here you go.
Oh wait, I thought you.
Alright class, so during the 3 minutes I would really appreciate if you guys respected each other and let each other write. So you'll have 3 minutes to talk about what we did yesterday.
Do we write it on Monday or?
You write it on Mondays, yes, good question.
What's this little line for my Monday?
So the date, Monday is
3 lines or 4?
3 sentences.
What do you guys think you're writing on me?
Those are 3 sentences. 3 complete sentences.
It's the
Did we write 3:19 on Monday or 3:18?
What day was Monday?
18.
Then 18.
That's what you're doing.
But we talked about the name of Mr. Webley. We talked about class rules. Oh,
Yeah, that's fine.
detention is 10 seconds.
We'll take another minute. If you're done, just put your pencil down, sit there quietly. Thomas Clay. Hey, Thomas and Clay, are you guys done?
Yeah.
Okay.
I have
Just hang
10
tight.
seconds. Okay. Wait, we only have to write 3 lines?
3 sentences.
What did we write for subject?
Okay.
Subject, you'll put intro CTE.
Are we gonna talk about the rules Chamber approved?
We haven't gotten them approved yet. We need to refine our rules and then we'll have them approve them.
In class?
So make sure your name's on the top. Make sure the Monday, or excuse me, there are the dates filled in. That you guys have dates. The period, well, what period is this? 8th period? And the subject is intro CTE.
I wrote 4.
Or CTE intro.
Why did I write 4 periods?
Alright, so let me tell you about these journals again. You guys are going to hang on to the journals. I don't want them until on Monday, but they're due on Monday. And I won't accept them on Tuesday because they're due on Monday. And on Monday, you'll grab a new one for the week. So don't lose them.
If we're like gone.
If you're gone on Monday, good question. I don't know that better than you. So don't lose them. Hang on to them. You'll write in them every single day. Yeah, those are journals. And we'll be doing that every single day for the rest of the quarter. Okay? Alright, so what you guys are going to do? You alright, Clay?
Yeah.
What happened there?
Yeah, I didn't know it was that full, so I just like took it already and then
Can we have drinks in here, food?
Oh, that's a question for Mr. Chamberlain.
Mr. Chamberlain?
Do you have a rag in
Yes.
here?
We can?
Yes.
You have food and drink in here.
Promise.
As long as there are no food allergies that any of you have,
I'm allergic to Mountain Dew.
okay, you can't have Mountain Dew.
I hate Mountain Dew. It's disgusting. It is disgusting.
Yes, you can have soda if
You
you do not make a mess. And if you make a mess, Mr. Goodwin,
I cleaned it up.
you will clean it up
I cleaned it
with more than just a tissue.
up. You know the rag.
There's a rag right up here in front, or there's a paper towel. You get a paper towel right over here. And go in the shop and get some water because I don't want you just smearing sugar everywhere.
Or if I lick it tomorrow in 4 hours.
But it reminds me of Hannah. You guys know, like, over the
Yeah.
head's a little squirrel
I'm
drinks.
not.
Isn't that Clay?
Over the head. Oh, dude, that's Jared.
Yeah, that's nerded.
Is Jared over here?
No, the world
Oh,
is.
no.
No, that's nerding.
Nerded.
I'm
The
sorry.
word is spinning.
Nerding with,
Nerded.
nerding with any pop is crazy.
Alright,
I'm
where's
already
my
stir crazy.
But
Promise?
Wait, hold on.
I'll be back.
grab the piece of paper, and on the bottom of your piece of paper, you're going to label it just like mine. You see my giant piece of paper up here?
Wait, which horizontally or?
You see this piece of paper, and you put it in front of you like it's laid out. So this would be landscape, and the other would be portrait. You do it this way.
Which one?
That is not my way.
No, like
It's that wall.
Yes, that piece of paper. That blank piece
so
of
we're
paper.
doing
No, you're doing it this way.
Do we write giant names at the bottom?
And at the bottom, you write giant H.
hot dog style.
Is this a giant?
This is the giant H. Yes, that's right.
Oh, and I bet we have to write the measurements.
People, what should it work for, but it's what it is.
So let's start out class. We need to know how to measure. We need to know what all those little ticks on a ruler are. So to begin, you guys are going to copy exactly what I write down.
Okay.
We're going to draw 2 lines. And these 2 lines are going to go pretty far. One line here, and then our next line is coming all the way over here at the end. Draw 2 lines. Make sure they're the same length. Just like that. And you want it near the edge.
Is that close enough to the edge?
Well,
Does it have to be straight?
should be as straight as you can. And then at the bottom of the first one, you're going to write 0. And at the bottom of the second one, you're going to write 1. Alright, so A,
You
remember,
speak Spanish?
remember these are the A people, and these are the B people?
No, it could be C's.
Remember that? A's and B's? Alright, A's. Check on B's and make sure B's did it right.
A's check on B's.
A's check on B's, make sure B's did it right. Yes, ma'am.
You did
I
it
used to.
correct. You used to? Forgot how. He forgot how
You might
to
do
do
it
it.
like this.
Did you check on B's?
Yes,
Alright, now B's, check on A's, make sure they did it right.
I know I did it right.
Okay, this next one. Class up here. Alright, Jared. No, sorry, Justin. What do you think this one right here is going to be? Half an inch. Alright, guys, write it in.
In the middle?
Right in the middle, because it's half. This is half and this is half. Don't make it come all the way down. We want it to be about that long. So, yes.
Are you going to be grading like how?
How perfect you draw? No.
Like
Do the best you can. Is what I'm telling you.
You can show them the backside.
is that how?
That's pretty good.
Is this good?
That's good. Okay, then the next one, we'll come in here. We're going to divide this section and this section.
That'd be 4.
Uh-oh, look at what I did. Make sure these 2 are about the same length as well. Who's telling it? Justin, what are those going to be?
1/4
1/4 and 3/4. Sorry, Justin, come on up.
It is?
Hey, Justin, come on up. Let's see. You get the brown marker,
Ooh, can I have the orange one?
and you're going to help explain to the class why this is 3/4 and not 1/4.
Because this one is 1/4 and 2/4.
Ask him questions. Who doesn't understand?
Did you just divide by 2? 5 divided by half?
Who else has questions? All right, good job. So now my next question is this. How many fourths is 0?
0.
Wait, hold on. Let's do it by raising hands. 0 fourths. This is 1/4. How many fourths is this, Cassie?
What?
How many fourths is 1/2?
2.
2 fourths. Okay, Hannah. This one's, how many fourths is 1? 4 fourths. Good job. Okay, so another way to look at that is that this is 1 whole. Now, when we divide it into 4 sections, is that not?
Oh, I see.
So this is a 4th Annika, and this is a 4th Cassie, and this is a 4th Justin. You got it. And this is a 4th Jared. So this right here, can you guys see over me? How many fourths is this?
2/4.
Okay, how many fourths is this right here?
2/4.
Alright, but what about this?
3/4.
And this?
A whole.
Good job. Okay, next line.
That's 8.
And make them a little bit shorter than the fourth.
I'll bet Emily's is gonna be the best thing. Emily's the perfect thing.
Look at mine.
Come on, dude. And then go ahead and label at the bottom what they are. Actually, wait, I have another idea. Hey, do you guys remember the think, pair, share thing we did yesterday? A's are going to talk to each other, and B's are going to talk to each
Am I
other.
an A or a B?
You're a B. These are A's, these are B's. So this is what you're doing. Ready for this, Clay? Okay, Clay, and Annika. I'm going to call you Annika. Okay, so A's are going to talk to A's, and B's are going to talk to B's, and you're going to tell each other what these 4 lines are. Okay?
A's to A's?
Yep, A's to A's, B's to B's, and then I give Jared. Nice, okay. So this is 8. How many A's? And this is 3 eighths, and this is 4. Good job. And this one is? And this one? 8 eighths. Good job. B's? You gonna get it? A's?
I bet you could 5/8. This one is 5/8.
Alright, gentlemen, the girls got it. You?
7/8.
Yeah. Oh, right. Where's your pencil? Good job. Emily, come on up. Emily's going to write the 8 thing.
Can I write the...
Alright, thank you. Class, how'd she do? 100%. Oh, good job. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. If you think she did good, thumbs up. If you think she did bad, thumbs down. But everyone has to have their thumb up. Okay? Class, thumbs up or thumb down? Sideways. Alright, Clay, you say sideways. Let's hear it.
That means she doesn't know.
Just for, oh, this means you don't know. Thank you. Okay, so this, yes, this, no, this, you don't know.
Whatever.
This is a good system we're getting.
So that's
Alright, class, I have some questions for you. How many eighths is this section right here? No.
Are you talking to me?
Oh,
That's a 4th.
this is a 4th? How many eighths is it?
Oh, 8. It's 2/8.
Okay, how many eighths is this right here?
It's 5/8? No, it's 6/8.
Ooh, uh-oh.
No, it's...
Hey, Clay, she needs some help. How many eighths is this section right here?
4/8.
3. Just kidding.
4/8.
Okay, Hannah's got it. We need some more practice on that.
No.
So A's, you're going to talk to B's. And A's, you're going to come up with a small section. So you're going to have your fingers, just like I do with my hand. And you're going to say to your partner, Cassie. Cassie, are you ready?
how many eighths is that?
Hold on, sir. You ready for this?
Sure.
Okay, Thomas. So what you're going to do as an A, you're going to point out a distance, just like I'm doing here on the board. And then B has to tell you what it is. Okay? Go ahead. All right. Jared, what is this distance right here? How many?
4/8.
Oh my gosh, I didn't know that.
How big is this? How big is this? How big is that?
Oh, wait, no. You're talking about 7/8. that. I knew it.
And you're good. And how we doing? All right, B's, test A's.
Bees, that's the.
B's, test A's.
Like that.
Thomas, you got this?
Or red. Not like red. Not like.
All right, Jared, you gotta test me.
How much is that?
Four.
Get you. How much is that?
3.
Yeah.
20.
$80.
How much is that?
Hannah. Hey, this was the class drill, remember? Maybe you guys gotta be quiet. 3 seconds listening to attention. Hannah! Remember the rule? Remember this thing? Thomas.
I was telling Clay to be quiet.
Alright, Thomas, you make the top of the list today.
Again.
Again.
Whoa.
It's like yesterday. Alright, here we go. Hannah, come on up.
What?
You're
Oh.
gonna write-
Hannah's got this thing too.
So Hannah knows what the next one is. What is it?
16.
Come on up. Hannah's gonna draw our 16th one.
I want 16. 16.
Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Is 16 the smallest? Or are we going to be confused? Do I write the things too?
No. Good job. Alright, class. She's pretty good.
Pretty good.
Hanukkah, have you been up yet?
No. Yes.
Come up. And play you too. You're gonna write the first. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you're gonna write the second 4. You write the first 4. These are the 2
Yes.
I've got some more, no idea.
116, 316, 516. Yes, it's
I'm telling you that.
Oh, here, these
And then it would be 5. Or am I going on my name?
You're doing the
And then 7. Oops.
Okay, be in a gallery. Let them do it.
And then
Justin.
11.
Better get punched in the face and make the attention there.
13. I'm supposed to be 15.
Alright, class, thumbs up, sideways, or down? How'd they do?
Thumbs down for Clay. I mean, thumbs down for Hanukkah.
Thumbs
Thumbs
down.
down for Clay.
Thumbs up for Clay.
No, hang on. I want to fix something.
Hannah's
Yeah,
supposed
that's right.
Hannah's supposed to be on the detention list.
That's my potential. No, no, no. You don't get to put your name on my potential.
What? I'm going to go to detention?
This is my.
Play just
Nope,
talk.
you're on this.
I'm on there.
I should be on there.
That would be 9.
Alright, class, go ahead and do those on your papers. Write them in.
I already did.
You already did?
I already
Then
did.
do this one. How many 16s is 0?
0.
And then how many 16s is 8? Okay, write those in.
I already did.
You wrote all the way across the board?
Yeah.
How many for half? Alright, make sure Clay did the same thing.
I wonder how Hannah was supposed to be on the detention list. I think the first one you said detention. Yeah?
No, you didn't.
I was gonna say, she's like, oh.
On every single trip.
You know, even
Did it break?
Yes, it broke.
The ruler.
You guys got it? Okay, B's, check on A's. Make sure they did it right.
I did it right.
A, tell your B.
I did it right.
You did it right. I did it right. We're all good. High five. No.
I was like, and then I like looked at it and I looked at it and I was like, wow.
Hey, Clay, how'd Thomas do?
Terrible. 100%.
You got
What about
100%?
me? What did I do?
Justin, how'd you do?
Jared?
She was specimen.
She asked me to
It's like burn the whole thing.
give it to her. You can put it in my mouth.
Look, it's on the pallet.
I
On the
thought
pallet. You guys don't need it.
It's
Good. Turn her battery. Turn her battery. How much power pack you get?
What? You really? That's your third one. Long and
Promise.
I'm kidding.
Alright, class B's, how'd they do?
What?
B's, give me a thumbs up, sideways, or down. How'd A's do?
No, that's not us. That's you
You
guys.
did? Oh, you got good? You got good?
Hire Emily. I need to.
Alright, class, let me get your attention.
What?
Jared. Hands down, guys, and look up here. Girls over there at the table.
Oh, here's another
Table
one.
1. So when you guys get a ruler here in about 3 minutes, it's going to look something like this. This is 1 inch blown up. That's why we call it the giant inch. Did you have a question?
No, sorry.
So this is more like what a ruler looks like. And so you have these tips that are inch marks. And so if it's to here exactly, it's 2 inches. And that one's easy, right, Clay? Man, maybe your name needs a tick next to it. Bump it in 20 seconds. That'd be crazy, huh?
How many centimeters?
So if my measurement comes exactly to 2, Justin, then it's real easy, right? But what happens if the measurement comes from here?
You have to go 2 inches in 1/4.
Oh, good job. What about here?
2 inches and 3/4.
Good job. Okay, so everyone, I think I have enough rulers. And then you guys share, and you guys share.
You want one?
No, thank you. Hey, guys, why don't you look in the drawers next to you, these black drawers? Try to find a ruler. Sweet.
Oh, I found one. I found one.
Good, you got it.
That one.
Awesome, well, thank you. Hey, put the pen back.
Okay, just take out the rulers, scissors. Everything else out. We'll take the trash out.
Hey, Channel.
Jackpot.
Let's bust it. I think he's supposed to be a car. Who's this Marcus?
All right, class.
It's like a cookie, like,
Where did you see?
Justin.
Like 6.
So you're going to look at your ruler. I'm going to write a number right here, class. And what you're going to do is find that on your ruler, and you're going to show it to your partner. So A's, you're going to show it to B's, and the B's will show it to A's.
Right there.
And I'll show you. So go ahead and find 3.5 on your ruler, and then show it to your B.
Oh, I
Good. Good job.
Okay, now B's show A's.
Where are the examples?
You guys got it right? Now do this one. A's to B's, B's to A's. Go ahead and show each other.
This one.
Okay, this one's a little tricky.
3 3/4.
A's, you do this one. B's, you do this one.
Found it. Am I an A?
Clay, do you get 4 3/4? Yeah, that's what you did.
Oh,
You're born.
how about we use our giant ruler?
Almost done.
Our giant ruler.
By the time you're done, I can't give you one.
Yep, that one right there. Good job. You guys have any troubles over here? Pretty easy, right? Super easy. You guys over here? Okay, next one. This is going to be a little more tricky.
No, it's 4 and 5.
do A's fine?
Oh, which one do A's find?
Go through them all. First do this one, A's to B's, B's to A's, and then do this one, A's to B's, B's to A's. Do all 4 of those.
That's this one.
So start with number 1.
Which one is one? Oh.
The 4 Musketeers. Oh yeah. Oh.
Dude. Did you know you can't tickle yourself? Yeah. I'm kidding.
Right there.
3.
Instruction tag.
Alright, class. Wait, we gotta do better on this. We're gonna do some practice rounds. You ready?
Well,
you guys
it's
gonna
not
talk?
really that loud.
Is that louder?
That is.
Okay, practice round. You guys gonna talk and then go ahead and get
Hey
quiet.
guys, guess what? So the other day.
Okay, that was pretty good. Here we go again.
What
Talk.
was so funny about that? Kind of like surprise. La la la.
Thomas and Hannah are the losers of that round. Okay, go ahead and talk. Oh, Clay. You guys are quiet. Man, the first one with a mark. Clay over here. Okay, so let's try to practice with this. Last time. Go ahead and talk.
Last time what? Everybody talk.
Hey, I rang it. I need to be quiet, right? Okay, so we have an assignment now. There are 4 sections to this assignment. It goes through halves, it goes through quarters, 8ths, and 16ths. There are 4 sections on each one, okay? So, in order to get an A on this assignment, like you all want to do, Jared. Hey, Jared.
What happens when the A person buys like rulers?
In order to get an A on this assignment, guys, you have to measure what it tells you and then put a line there. You have to measure what it tells you and put a line. We're going to do the first one together.
Okay.
So everyone needs a ruler and a piece of pencil. And a pencil, so that's it.
What about pens?
Pen's fine, but if you mess up, you're kind of toast.
Can I rather just have 20 seconds to hang on the desk right now?
No.
Okay, so the first one, you guys are going to look at measuring 1. And it says 3 3/4.
Are you really going to measure these? That'd get boring. This tall.
Yeah, we got to measure every single one. Yeah, okay, so the first one is 3 3/4. So you're going to measure from the start of this line 3 3/4. Can I see your ruler?
Start of line 3 3/4. Oh, this is easy. No.
And then you're going to make a line at 3
It's 3
3/4.
3/4. Oh.
Oh, hey class, look up here for a second. This is really going to screw you up if you don't pay attention. The ruler looks like this, but the inch doesn't start until that line. So if you measure from here, it's off. You have to measure from here where it says.
Except for on this one is like right on
That's pretty close. Just know that it starts from the line and not the edge of the board. Yeah, so start on the line, not the edge.
That's what I've been doing.
That one?
Wait, whatever you mentioned.
That one?
Who needs milk?
Are you supposed to do all of them?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
Right here.
You're only supposed to do the first one.
Well, I got down almost all the way, so.
I think it's harder. Oh, we have to do both.
That'd be good.
We have to do this. And then we have to do that.
Yes.
You want 30 seconds?
No?
He said he wants 30 seconds tomorrow.
We'll give him 30 seconds.
30 seconds for what?
30 seconds for each of us to slap in.
When you're done with the first, move to the second.
30 seconds.
I'll give you 6 more minutes in class to work on it.
Wait, are we supposed to do the second one?
No.
Ask someone. I just said it. Ask someone.
No, you're not.
All of them.
No.
Are you lying, Justin?
No.
She did all of them. She's just
You're not
messing
supposed to.
with me.
Supposed to do all of the first section.
That's what she did.
Yeah. But you don't do the other section.
No, she didn't do it.
Alright guys,
Dude,
right down.
I like how forth.
Be respectful to each other. Hannah, go ahead and start working.
Oh, the second one?
Is that 30?
Yes.
I can't tell which.
Yeah, Justin.
That.
3 and 3/8. Okay, so count the 8s.
Is this the already the 8th?
This is an 8. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, that's an
Just
your letters. What?
What are you? Right after the
Yeah, my dad's a bitch up.
one.
Second?
My dad's a bitch up for the second one. I've been saying it my whole life.
Three words.
That's 1, 2.
This one?
I haven't won a award yet.
Holy cow, there's something better than that. Let's see how I do this. Mr. Walker, and 4,000. He's like, I don't know words.
One-fourth is right here.
Words, yeah. You're exactly right. No?
Justin, did you finish?
No.
1, 2, and 3.
Clay needed to see what. Yeah, I did it right.
Okay.
Boom.
We have about 4 minutes left in class to work on this.
About to finish. Yeah, how much? Can I just?
Due tomorrow,
Clay has 4 minutes and 20 seconds.
class, look up here for a second. Due tomorrow is your disclosure statement or document signed by your parents. And also, number 1, 2, and 3.
Oh, what if I do?
1, 2, and 3.
What if I don't have a ruler at home?
Then you ask your parents for one.
Two?
And then
You
we'll
want
come
this
back
one?
to and number 3.
I got a rule at my house.
Number 1, 2, and 3 are due at the beginning of class tomorrow.
Do we keep
Wait,
the
every 6 teaches us little
The
things.
giants, yes.
Yeah.
You'll bring it tomorrow for your homework. You'll take it home, it'll help you with your homework, and you'll bring it back for credit.
Oh, you're giving us homework?
Uh-huh.
I like homework.
Yeah, me neither.
You already have enough.
homework is okay unless it's math.
This is the home.
And math needs to learn how to.
Yes.
Quite exciting.
Seriously.
Yes.
That's my week now.
You don't have to. No?
I feel like school like
Yeah, we're probably not the fun. Squats are easier than
Especially with me, I have a stronger lower body.
and
Like a game, like head on
Look at
seven
your
on.
tiny.
Like a game, or like playtime, tell them all you finish.
My dad said
I
he
mean,
would
about
bench press.
We're gonna build a house next, so you have no lessons between.
oh, that's what you're doing.
No, we didn't. How do you spell your name, Jared?
Jar.
It's not really. But you can finish your routine. Okay, bring it back down tomorrow.
Here's my ruler.
Thank you. You got one, two, three?
I'm 4.
Sweet. You get them done? Awesome.
And I turned in my daily I got one more measurement, but I decided to just do it at home.
Cool.
And my mom yelled at me if I don't bring any homework.
Oh, yeah.
Can we turn this into you?
Bring it
I
tomorrow.
didn't even laugh.
Yep, put it in your folder.
I didn't even laugh.
But I can stick it in mine if you want.
Are you done with all more than before? Do we have to do
Are you and Mr.
No,
Chamberlain
just for-
gonna all
Look,
measure these to
just
make
see.
sure they're all right?
No, just
Just look at
You're
the
gonna
floor.
measure all of
Look
these?
by your measurements.
If it's like
Oh, look, he's
little
getting ready to
the
go.
opposite, it's not wrong.
Dude,
No, seriously?
how do I talk to
Because the
you?
rulers are kind of like, my ruler, like, when I
Yeah,
measured it, it was like that, and I was like,
Okay, so a little in three, like a pencil width. But if it's like a unit job,
Kind of lost 2 rounds of our practice hook if she doesn't have the attention.
here, yeah, I kind of did. but-
wait, you lost 2 rounds.
I lost 1.
You lost 1, you lost 2. Thanks for the reminder. I'll throw it up. Can I go?
I did take attention when he was talking.
That was for Nerded because he wanted his name like that. So you could see how much longer. For like 20 seconds more.
No.
Oh, hey, I got 20 seconds too, play.
Looks like Jared's in for 10. That's pretty good.
Wait, I have one, so 20 seconds?
Remember you lost 2 rounds.
Oh.
And you did say she had attention before you were at round.
I don't remember. I
You
didn't write
did.
it
You just like attention, and then you wrote Thomas's name on the board.
down. Did I really?
Yes.
I'll be better about it tomorrow.
Wait, what?
I don't know.
I'm the only girl that ever gets this Sorry for being smart.
He's like, this is like attention to Hannah, and then he gave attention to Thomas.
It was just an asshole thing to do.
What do I do with my job?
You bring it back tomorrow with your assignment.
I got it.
Is that clock on?
Wait, you should sell
$1.
Yeah.
It looks right.
Looks
No,
right.
I never did.
Yeah, you do.
Nah, it's wrong.
Oh, whoa!
From
I
what?
thought cheating when you Thomas.
I'm sending you back, man.
Hey! And she didn't.
I did too.
Hey, so anybody going to prom? I have a quick announcement. All of the
And I gave you that dollar that day.
packets are in the office.
Yeah, I did.
So come and get them first come, first serve. Thanks.
Alright, take a seat and I'll excuse you.
I like
Yeah, I
chicken.
get 20 seconds.
You gotta take a seat though, or else no one
Well, I made I'll bring it
I just didn't
I
have the
paid, I
attention.
paid for lunch the other day,
Doing
so.
He
Oh,
talks
they stole me $1.
Just kidding.
Definitely a shoot back.
I'm not bringing it. How do you do?
Play this person. Stop that, play it.
Annika, sit down.
Alright, you're excused.
What?
You're excused. See you tomorrow.
See ya, guys.
I just want to go like pull the chocolate.
Hey, your attention is
Oh, yeah. 8, 9, 10.
Do you? Who are you?
Doesn't go on the right.
See you.
Yes.
8, 9.
See you tomorrow, guys. Good job today.